going shopping for fidgets at Five Below with my sisters.
Hi.
We're at Five Below. Okay, so we got our basket. Some squishies. Okay, there's some slime. I haven't found that much fidgets. Found some marbles. You can make homemade marble meshes out of them. Find a stress ball. Find a lot of fidgets, but there's a lot of candy. A tour what I got at Five Below. The fidget that I got at Five Below is this air whale thing. It's super squishy and I like it. Here's all the stuff that I got at Five Below. So I already did this squishy air whale thing. And then the next thing that I got is this Nickelodeon slime. First slime that's in there is this party cupcake, and it smells super nice. Next slime is cupcake frosting. It smells super nice, and I love the little charms in it. Next one is cake batter crunch. It smells super good, and I love the crunchy sounds to it. Here's the 3 slimes that I got. I said there wasn't a lot of fidgets there, but I got Pringles. I got Hershey cookie bites, and I got a face mask, and these cute little dessert 3D erasers. I hope you enjoy my video.